previously recorded. And this is the rice. Alright, so now let's work on the lamb chops. Those are good, don't they? I hope they do good. Alright, so let me give y'all a little taste of the taste. Ooh. There y'all go right there. That's the piece I tasted. And they tender too, surprisingly. Took me by surprise. But they good. I must say that. They're really good. They got a slight gamey taste. But it's not so gamey where you can't eat it. But it's real slight. And it's good. I don't even need to say so. I'm going to put some on there anyway. Let's go see what Grandma thinks. Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning.
Let's do us a little video, Grandma, because everybody sent you birthday gifts and stuff like that, and we didn't get a chance to tell them thank you just yet, but we did thank the ones that sent it while we was there. And so I just want you to tell them what you got to say, especially what you have been telling me. Grandma has been so thankful, y'all. And so I just want her to tell y'all for herself. But hold on, let me go get my tripod. Come on, I'm going to hurt. Alrighty.
Good morning. How y'all doing today? Oh, I'm doing good.
Thank the Lord for being here to see
That's
another day.
right. I thank the Lord to be here to tell y'all good morning. And I'm hoping in good trust of the Lord that I be here on my next birthday. But I'm not going to be so greedy. I'm just going to let the good Lord give me a surprise on that. But I thank y'all for what y'all did. And if anything in the store or anywhere y'all need, just let me know. And I will return y'all's a favor back. Cause y'all were nice. And I sure appreciate it. And I love y'all for it. But I just hate y'all wasn't there.
They was there.
No.
Oh yeah, they was them.
Behind I ate so much until it made me sick.
Mm, they was them. They saw it all, honey. They watched you get down, get down, get down.
And I had asked the master to let me, you know, don't let my leg hurt or nothing on my birthday, 'cause I want a joke.
Did you get down or did you get down?
Oh yeah.
Huh? I'm glad you enjoyed yourself though.
Yeah, I used to. I used to. And wasn't thinking about my children either.
Ma'am?
I said, and I wasn't thinking about my children neither. I was thinking about nobody but me.
That's what it's supposed to be like. You're supposed to think about you. Your day. Your day, your time to spend with the ones that you love.
Yeah.
But we enjoyed ourselves, y'all. And I just thank each and every one of y'all for just blessing her on her birthday, because the main thing that she told, tell them what you told me, Grandma. I want you to tell them what you told me about them sending you the money and stuff like that.
Oh, somebody didn't send money?
Yeah, about when you was getting all the gifts and stuff like that from people. What you told me.
I told, I don't know.
Remember you were saying that these people don't even know you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's why. That's what I want you to tell them.
And the folks sent me presents and stuff. They don't know me and I don't know them, but they sure were good to me.
Mhm.
They were very nice. They didn't. Well, if I was in Blake, I wouldn't have got doodly squat.
Hmm. We ain't gonna say that. You probably would've.
Huh?
I said we ain't gonna say that. You probably would've.
Nuh-uh, 'cause I ain't never got nothing. The only time I started getting something when I come down here staying with you.
No.
So, I didn't even get nothing from my children.
Thank God for a change.
That's right.
That's all we can say about that right there.
Thank God for that. And thank God for the folks who sent me them gifts and things.
Mhm.
I love them.
You got some cards coming. They supposed to be on the way. I'm gonna have they check the mail. Probably them.
Card.
Yeah, your birthday cards.
Oh.
They supposed to be coming to the mail, in the mail. I don't know when they're gonna get here, but I have they check the P.O. box tomorrow. I need to check this fish. Put some food in this fish tank right here.
Huh?
But yeah, y'all, so that was that right there, the little piece. I just wanted the grandma to tell y'all, you know, how she felt and stuff like that. Y'all know how I am. We can't accept the gift without thanking everybody that gave a gift. And for the ones that wanted to and couldn't, we understand. And we just thank you for just thinking about it, you know. So I'm just glad that my grandma just enjoyed her day. She, you know, felt special on her day. She just had a good time, number smiles and joy and all that. And that was the most important part about it. She was able to celebrate her day the way that she wanted to, with her favorite foods and all. She enjoyed that fish, grandma.
Huh?
And she knew exactly what the fish was. I didn't even tell her what kind of fish it was. She was like, "You cooked some whiting, didn't you?" I said, "Mm-hmm." I said, "You like something?" "Yeah, that fish is good." I don't care for the whiting. I told y'all that, but she enjoyed it, honey.
Well, honey, I love whitey.
I ain't know you love whiting.
But you know what is about the only thing you could buy in Blake,
Really?
cause the whites ain't got no bones like the rest of them.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed that. Y'all know Grandma's favorite food is fish. And her next favorite is pasta salad. Grandma loved pasta salad.
Mhm.
So that's why I made sure I made her some pasta salad, because she loved pasta salad. And so yeah. So I did her favorite. That's what I did for her birthday. and she really enjoyed herself.
And all y'all know what she did?
What?
She when he got the cake, she went round to everybody smudging cake in their face.
You already know I was gonna do that. You already know.
I thought most of the people got mad.
Look, they already know what time it is. They gonna tell me something. So next time, I'ma ask, do Tiana got some cake? Cause that's why I ain't coming. Ooh, don't run from me, honey. Ain't no face gonna be left untouched. Everybody getting smashed with cake.
Not the babies.
Babies and all. I don't care. They could be on baby. Baby gonna get some cake on his face. Okay. But we had fun though. They already know that's just how they already know that's how I am. I do this for everybody. Everybody party. Everybody.
You not horrible.
Everybody. Ain't nobody gonna get left out. Everybody. Hold on. So yeah. I'm in here trying to. I was trying to tell y'all that I'm in here fixing us something to eat, but my memory was full, so I had to go and delete some stuff, and now I'm back. So, I made us some chili last night. Grandma didn't want no breakfast this morning. She was like, well, we'll just eat us some leftovers. So we ain't even got no crackers to go with the chili. So this is what I decided to do. I made some French fries with the chili. And I'm about to take me some cheese and put it on top and melt it. And that is going to be breakfast for us. She already got hers eaten. You like it, Grandma? You think it tastes pretty good? Mm-hmm. Tastes good on fries? Better than with the crackers?
Yeah.
Okay, then. Tell them you'll see them later, Grandma.
I'll see y'all later.
All right. Love y'all.
Love you.